Welcome to Glossary Definitions brought to you by LexisNexis. Let us shed light on what the term HVAC means. Right, the term HVAC. Here we go. HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. An HVAC system is used in indoor settings, generally residential or commercial buildings, but can include vehicles, etc., to maintain and control air temperature and humidity. Nice and quick, just how we like it.
Thank you for discovering more about the term HVAC. At LexisNexis, we provide the tools you need to navigate its legal implications, from precedents to practice tips and beyond.